Good morning, guys. Thank you guys for coming to my channel and viewing this video. I'll have you guys to know that this channel is geared towards helping people and showing people how they can go about leveraging this business in order to start a home-based business. And of course, we all know what is happening in and around the world right now. And I think that the ideal time to tap into internet or digital skill sets is now. Now is the appointed time. There are so many persons that are being confined to their homes that aren't having any source of income. And so I think now is the time, while being confined to your home, is the time to pick up some sort of digital skills that will help you to bring in an income. And so, guys, I just want to let you know that this channel is geared towards showing you and helping you to set up a home-based business and how you can run an efficient home-based business for you to create your own economy instead of going and just depending solely on a 9 to 5. So if you guys are watching this video and you're getting value, I would really like to take this time to encourage you to like, subscribe, and to share the video. And if you have any questions or comment, you guys can go right ahead and leave a comment or a question at the very bottom of this video. Now, today's video will be geared towards showing you guys how you can create an invoice for the $25 one-up to be able to send to persons that decide to go ahead and pay their funds to be able to partner with you and be able to start their $25 one-up opportunity. Okay. And so just before I do that, I want to shoot over to Google real quick so you guys can see the time that I am recording this video. And guys, just to pause there for a minute, the one thing that I love about having a home-based business, and I'll show you guys, I just made a post on Facebook. So I want to take you guys over to my personal Facebook page at the moment, and I just want to show you guys the post that I posted. Okay, so the post says, one thing that I love about having a home-based business that I think many will agree with me with is being able to operate your business at any hour of the day. Okay, like really, I am able to get up and jump straight into whatever needs to be done within my home-based business instead of waiting for my rostered time for my 9 to 5 to go into work. Not only that, if I choose to, everything sometimes can be done within 15 minutes to 1 hour. Words to the wise: get yourself an online business. Note to self: be thankful and show others the way. And so for that matter, this always causes me or forces me, well, not force me, I am willing to always do how-to videos to help you guys, my viewers, in navigating and making your home-based business much easier and much easier for you guys to operate. All right, and so I want to shoot over to Google just to show you guys the time that I'm recording this video. So if I have not said it before, my name is Robert Barry. I am a single father of one son, and I live in the beautiful islands of the Bahamas. And so time in the Bahamas. Oh, what am I doing here? Time in the Bahamas. Okay, so the time in the Bahamas at the time of recording this video, ladies and gentlemen, it is 5:07 a.m. Wednesday, the 15th of April, 2020. All right. So you guys can see one thing that I love about this video. I could have gotten up 6 a.m. I could have stayed in bed until 10, 12. Like you can operate this business at any hour of the day that you choose to, you know. But like I said, the time of recording this video is 5:07 a.m. Wednesday, the 15th of April, 2020. All right. So I'm going to just jump straight into how to create an invoice with the $25 one-up opportunity. So you guys will be able to send invoices, right? When persons decide to partner with you. And it's always good to send persons, or when they partner with you, to send them a receipt. It will be something digital that they can hold on to as proof of payment. Okay. And so I've already logged into my PayPal back office. Okay. And so once you log into your PayPal back office, right down here to the right hand side, you're going to see a tab to where it says manage invoices. Okay. So you're going to click on manage invoices. This section will come up. You're going to click on create invoice. And so we're now in the section where you would go ahead and you will create an invoice. Okay, so as it relates to the $25 one-up, we all know, and I'm going to use the very first two packages, which is the gold level, of course, which is 25 bucks. And then you have the platinum level, which is $100. Okay. So I'm just going to make a mock uh, uh, invoice as if I were going to send this to someone once I would have went ahead and saw I got the email for them sending me their 25 bucks in order to partner with me with $25 one up. Okay, so and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I do. Exactly what I do. All right. So what the very first thing that I would do is that I would come here and I would type in the customers or my prospects email. Well, my business partner at that point, because they're getting ready to join with me. So I'm just going to type in any email, Robert Barry gmail.com. So I would come in here, I would type in a Gmail account or the person's email account. I will drop down here. Okay. I would give a brief description. So I would say something on along the lines of software and digit I'd say something along the lines of software and digital products. I will come here in the price bar menu. And of course, we all know it's 25 bucks. Okay. Now, once you type in the 25 bucks, once you look down, you would see the total would be 25 bucks. Okay. These boxes, you're going to leave them blank. Allow partial payment. You don't want to collect partial payment. And it wouldn't be cool to ask someone that's paying for a product for a tip. Right. Now, this section down here is very, very important. Okay. And so right here where it says note to recipient, I would say something along the lines of your account be, no, sorry. Thank you for your business. So I would simply say thank you for your business, something very welcoming. Now, terms and conditions. The very first thing that I would say here is no I would start off by saying no refund. Also, what I will say also too is there is oh shucks. There's no So I would say something simple like this. No refund. There's no guarantee that you would make any sales. Your success will depend your Okay, so guys, in the terms of condition section, I would say something along the lines of no refund. There is no guarantee that you would make any sales. Your success will depend highly on your work ethics. Okay, and so guys, once this is all done, you have the person's email. You fill in the amount. You come down here and leave a note to recipient. You fill in the terms and conditions. I will then go ahead and hit preview. You want to make sure that you have everything right. So you guys can see April 15, 2020, an invoice will be sent to Robert Barry, my personal Gmail. This is the recipient's email, bill to Robert Barry, $25. Terms and condition, note to recipient, right? And then you can go ahead and simply hit send, guys. And it is that easy. You need to be responsible within your business in order to send out invoices. Okay, and so at this time, what I want to do right now is go into my Gmail's back office. And guys, if you're looking to partner with me and you're on the fence of starting a home-based business, I want to encourage you guys to click the link. All of my important information details will be at the very bottom of this video. So I just want to take you guys into a personal Gmail. I want to show you guys that I am getting sales. So you guys can see here, I've made $25, $100, $25, okay? I'm down here, $100, $25, $100. So you guys can see that I am making sales consistently, and I want to show you guys how you can start a home-based business. Like I said, my links will be at the very bottom of this video. It was a pleasure bringing this video to you again. My name is Robert Barry. You guys be safe, be blessed, and have an awesome day.